Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is my 43rd video. I'm practicing my spoken English by reading short stories every day. Curious how much of my English can you understand? Leave a comment. Now let's get in the reading part. Story title: The Forgotten Key. Leo found an old key in his drawer, covered with dust. He couldn't remember where it opened, but something told him to keep it. Weeks later, he discovered an old box in his closet. It fit perfectly. Inside were photos of his childhood. He smiled, realizing he had lost the key, just forgotten what it meant.